Hi guys, I'm Dr. Kristen Kinzevich from Evangel University, and I'm here to talk to you today about things you should look for when searching for a graduate counseling program. One thing that's important to look at is the curriculum design and order. So how intentional has the faculty been with the curriculum? Most counseling programs that you should be looking at should indicate that they are CACREP accredited. So there's not going to be a wide variation, in terms of the types of classes you'll take. They pretty much have to have the same general content. But how you take those classes can really matter for your learning process, your development, and your experience. So for example, a school where you can enter basically every 7 weeks usually just allows you to take whichever classes are offered at that time, and there's just in a rotation, and there's not a specific order laid out. Or there might be certain prerequisites, but not others. In Evangel University's program, we have a cohort model, and that means that you take classes in a specific order with the same students. So you're able to kind of developmentally progress, and we have put a lot of intentionality into how we set up our courses. So the order really builds on itself. Our assignments build based on your developmental growth, and we've actually taken the time to look at the classes that you take simultaneously. So you don't just take classes in a vacuum, one class at a time. You take a set of 2 or 3 or 4 classes at a time. Typically it's 3 in Evangel University's program. And so we looked at those classes that you take at the same time, and we looked at the best way to organize the assignments, first of all, so that not everything is due for all your classes in the same week. And second of all, that the types of assignments are varied across classes. So if you need to learn more about writing a research paper, we don't have a research paper in all the classes that semester. We might have one, and then some other experiential assignments in other classes. And so we've really been deeply intentional about our curriculum, the order you take it, the content, the assignment structure, and you really should ask that question when you're searching for a graduate counseling program. How intentional is that curriculum design? How do you take classes, in what order? And also, just a side note, we offer an accelerated pathway. So if you do have the bandwidth in your life to take 4 classes at a time, you can actually get done a little bit sooner. So those are some things to check out when you're looking at programs, and you can see the links to Evangel University's programs in the notes.